Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Alight Motion and creating a new project with the correct resolution and frame rate. Once done, import the media you want to link, video, image, or audio, and drop them on the timeline. Make sure you can see the Layers panel. Select the primary clip that will host the link. Now tap the clip to reveal options. You need to prepare it for parenting or group linking so subsequent steps attach cleanly and predictably. Now you create the actual link by grouping or parenting layers. Select the child layer or layers, then choose Parent from the toolbar and pick the parent layer. You should set the anchor point on the child for precise alignment. This determines how transforms propagate. Once linked, apply transforms to the parent, position, scale, rotation, and you'll see children follow. Use keyframes on the parent to animate multiple linked elements at once. This keeps motion synchronized and easier to edit. To finish, preview the composition frame by frame and bake, or simplify keyframes if playback stutters. Once happy, export using the project settings you started with. If something goes wrong, unlink the child layers and reparent after correcting anchor points. You can reset transforms to 0 to remove offset. If performance lags, reduce preview quality or trim unused layers. Remember, most linking issues stem from incorrect anchors or unintended pre-existing transforms, so check those first before redoing the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.